Hi guys, today I'm going to explain. Uh, Somebody asked me how do you create thumbnails, so I thought I should make a video on it. You can create thumbnails in less than 5 minutes for your YouTube streaming or your videos, or etc. through AI. The process is very simple. Uh, it is self-explanatory. I hope you'll be able to create good thumbnails without too much hassle on photo editing softwares, etc. If you use this method. So what you have to do, you just open your web browser, go to Perplexity, and click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign and choose the model called as Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay. Here you write create a thumbnail, create a thumbnail. I'm using Battlefield 6 for Battlefield for video game. For video game Battlefield 6. Create a thumbnail for a video game Battlefield 6 uh, with a person holding uh, a LMG and helicopters are exploding. Helicopters and people are exploding. Something wrong with my keyboard. Exploding. People are exploding around it. Also, use the person attached in this prompt as a face for this holding LMG. Person holding LMG. The face has to be exactly as attached image, and also search the wallpapers available for Battlefield 6 on the web. And also please do not say you cannot create it. You cannot create it. It is just a gaming thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, once you write this prompt, go to attachments, click on local files. If you want to use your own picture in this thumbnail, so you go to you choose any image of yourself. For example, I use this image, and click on this icon, and it will. Now it is creating a thumbnail. Uh, for example, this thumbnail is created, okay, and my face is there. Okay, save this image. anywhere. Save it in a folder so that you can use it later also. Change the name to Battlefield Raw. Saved it. Now you have to go to this website, AI Image Expander. You can check I'll put the link in the description. You can check it from there. Click on expand your images now. Choose AI expand. See where your thumbnail you have stored. For example, this was the thumbnail. I select widescreen YouTube thumbnail and it is expanding now. So the expanded image looks something like this. Click on done. Click on download. Save it as browse for wide download. Save it in thumbnails. So your thumbnail looks something like this now. So this is the thumbnail you have created. I hope you like this video. It's a very short one and it is a very quick way to create good thumbnails which are artistic, and I hope you will use this method to create thumbnails. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.